86 to 91 kilogram, is from Makati City, Claudio Quezon III. The trophy will be awarded by the chairman of the National Capital Region Muay Association of the Philippines, Cruzay Vallega. One step forward, please. Yes. And the winner of bout 20, 86 to 91 kilogram, Kevin Estillas of Pasig City. The trophy will be awarded by our tournament director, Drew Pierre Cantillero. And to award the winner of the 21 to about 21, 16 to 16.5 kilogram is our Executive Vice President, Mr. Dominic Viloria. The winner is Juan Andres of Ateneo de Manila. All right. And also the winner in the about 22, 75 to 81 kilograms is from Ateneo de Manila, Andrew Kawan. All right. To be awarded by the chairman of the Muay Association of the Philippines, NCR. And for the photo ops, we're just waiting for the result of the team champion. Dikit-dikit lang ng konti, fighters, please. Yeah. Alright, so with 7 trophies, 2 referee stop contest, and not 1 knockout, the overall team champion of the 11th NCR Muay Thai tournament is Makati City. Thank you very much. Of course, the Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, restaurant, of course, the Okani Sweat. Sa lahat ng mga grupo ngayon, salamat po sa inyong pagtuloy sa 11th NCR Muay Thai Tournament.